In this video, you'll get a clear step-by-step walkthrough of how to work on reports within the BTR Review Collaboration tool. The report preparation module is designed for easy teamwork, allowing multiple users to draft and edit review reports together. To get started, make sure you're in review space of the country you're working on. On the landing page, select the party you want to review. Next, use the main navigation menu on the left to choose the review space. Next, click the report preparation box located just below the checklist area. On this page, you'll see the tier templates. These include the main report and addendum. The report section gives you an overview of the report's name, who owns the report, when it was last accessed, an activity log that shows what action users have taken to collaborate on the report. Open it in Microsoft Word, either the desktop app or the web version. For the best experience and access to all features, we recommend using the desktop app. At the bottom of the report preparation page, you'll find all tasks related to drafting the report. As you and your team work on the report, the Technical Review Officer, TRO, will update task statuses so everyone can track progress.